July 2023, I have purchased this product from local kiosk nearby my city, and this one you can see, cheap keyboard that able connected by Bluetooth devices such as laptops, also Android and also iOS devices, and it's quite cheap, only $5. I think very worth it in entry level, and I wanna unbox this one. Actually, I've been unboxed this before and testing, but in order to make the videos, I want to re-unbox again and make a replica. I recently bought in the toko in the Bambustrasse, the West Palu, around 10 kilometers from my home. Okay, let me see. First of all, we see the details for its product. So this option of the color and the design model, you can see the option, and the peripherals that are available in the package is the wireless keyboard, this one, also the USB charging cable, this one, the USB charging cable that used for charge this one by use adapter 5 volts to amps, and that's all. And manual book, where is that? Maybe in my bag. Okay, let me focus in the product. I have no assistant, so it's very struggling while opening. Okay, you can see the build quality with the dimensions not very big, around 10 centimeters times 29, maybe 29 or 24 centimeters dimensional. So we see two main button in here, the connect button and the off and on button, and also the indicator lamp, LED power for charge, the connection and the caps, and the regular layout. But I've been test this one. I will include in the next video about the test. Well, I feel the keycaps not very good, I think, because the price is not very expensive. So quality. What the hell? And also, what else? Unfortunately, I've been stressed before that the backspace is too small. So if I want typing in the Microsoft Word 360 in my devices, that's very hard while deleting. But if you have to use in the frequent time, I think this is not a big problem for you and the common. And one thing that interesting is you can also apply in same as desktop. If you can want to cut, you can simply Control All for Alt Select and Control X for cut, and Control V for paste. That is the small features that I know. And also you can see the several button here. You can follow me down here, press F10, and follow me up for the F11 and the lock. And also we can to press Fn for the home and the command for the Google Assistant. I think this is very worth it. In Indonesia, currently about 85,000 K maybe. I mean 85K rupiahs. It's like worth it for the entry level. Wanna see about the product? Take a look. Of course, made from China, because China produce many cheap stuff, and also thank you. This is my short unbox. About the further, maybe I will upload in the next, or I will include in the attachment in the end of video. Thank you. Okay, tonight I have a chance to test my device that I bought in the noon. So let we connect in the Bluetooth between the device that I buy and my Android. You can see the notification, and I test a little bit to type in the Microsoft Word of Microsoft Word software. I think the about the delay is not very disgusting. I mean, not very disturbing. The delay is acceptable as well. You can type by your hand fastly, even I not fast. And my opinion is worth it. I think worth it.
Everyone can see there's a change in me. They all say I'm not the same kid I used to be. Don't go out and play, I just dream all day. They don't know what's wrong with me, and I'm too shy to say. It's my first love, what I'm dreaming of.